Today we are doing a huge PR unboxing.
T-Pain, you heard it here first. Video. We love.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we are doing a huge PR unboxing of a bunch of things I recently got in the mail. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint. We've got fragrance, we've got makeup, we've got hair care, we've got a little bit of everything. So I'm excited to show you. I actually already filmed this video for you guys, but I went back to look at it. One, my phone died. Two, my phone was totally off center. I was like all the way in the corner filming. So I decided to stop being lazy and bust out my camera and film this properly, good lighting and everything. Before we hop into the unboxing, I do want to give a small acknowledgement. Thank you guys so much for all of your continued support, whether it's a follow, a like, a subscribe, a thumbs up, a comment. Any kind of support has helped in tremendous ways that you may not know. To you, it might be a small gesture, but to me, it is the reason why I get these PR gifts, why I get brand deals, and why I am in the position I am in today. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And I appreciate you guys so much. I hope to continue making great videos for you guys and improving every day as a creator. So let's get into it. Starting off with the first box, this is going to be from Armani Beauty. They sent over 3 liquid eyeshadow shimmers, and I actually already swapped them. So take a little look-see-loo. Gorgeous, but I'm gonna swatch them again for you guys. This is shade 44S, and this is what she looks like. This is shade 10S, and this is what she looks like. And this is shade 12S, and this is what it looks like. All gorgeous shades and really fun holiday colors. I cannot wait to show you guys a easy makeup look with these and also how they look on the eye. Stunning. Thank you, Armani Beauty. Moving on, we have a gift from Valentino Beauty. They sent us a fragrance and 2 lippies. Starting off with the fragrance, this is one of my favorites. I actually wore this every day for a little while. It's kind of the perfect going out fragrance. This is what she looks like. Not only is the packaging just stunning, it smells amazing. I sprayed it on my face. One of my favorites. Valentino is definitely an amazing brand. Almost everything they put out smells delicious. Here are the 2 lippies they sent over. Here is the first shade, kind of a pale pink. Love the packaging for these. This is the second shade. This is more of a brown burgundy. Definitely a holiday color. And that is what Valentino sent over. Moving on next, L'Oreal sent us some hair care goodies. Let's open it. They sent us over the Ever Pure collection. This is the sulfate-free color care system. This is their glossing shampoo, glossing conditioner, and they also sent their glossing 5-minute mask. I still have some of my highlights at the end of my hair, so I am excited to try a glossing system for the first time to see if I can kind of get some vibrancy and shininess from this transition era I'm in. I'm also kind of growing out my fro, letting it get a little bit longer, taking care of it, trying not to manipulate it too much, but we'll see what it does. Moving on, we have this huge box from Aussie. I actually got this a little while ago, but I wanted to wait for a proper video to show you guys what is inside. If you guys saw on Aussie's Instagram, they actually went to New York City for a trip with some other girls, and Jasmine Brown was there. If you don't know who Jasmine Brown is, she is a OG curly hair YouTuber. Not just curly hair though, makeup videos, outfit videos. I literally watched her so much as a kid, and to get a PR box from Aussie, an amazing OG staple brand, collaborated with an OG YouTuber that I watched, felt so surreal, felt so full circle moment, and I am so grateful. Like you have no idea how grateful I am. Let me show you what's inside. This is like a proper crazy mega PR box. Starting off with the amazing Aussie products, they sent over their 2nd day curl activator, their Miracle Curls mousse, their 3-minute Miracle Curls deep conditioner, their Miracle Curls moisturizing oil. It also came with this JBL speaker in the cutest Aussie color that is crazy. I've never gotten a JBL speaker. I was literally mouth on floor, jaw dropped when I seen this. They also sent over conversation cards. So cute. I need some girlfriends to come over and play this with me. And they also sent over an AI face tracking tripod. Quadrupod. I don't even know what a quadrupod is. It's crazy. Oh, it has 4 little sticks. A quadrupod. I have been wanting to use this, but I've been waiting until I made a proper video just thanking Aussie, thanking Jasmine Brown, and just showing you guys, like, this is so surreal to me. So that was my Aussie PR package. Last but not least, we have a huge PR box from Revolution Beauty. I recently did a Halloween makeup look with the Revolution Beauty makeup palette, which saved me, by the way, because there's like no good face paints in person, and they were the first one that I bought that was really good. I used like all of the white face paint on one look because what I had been using before was horrible, and they saved me. They sent me their advent calendar, which I'm so excited. I've only gotten 2 advent calendars before. I've gotten one from L'Occitane and one from TikTok, the brand itself, which was crazy. Let me open this up for you. I kind of debated between opening this in November, December, and I think I'm gonna start in November, maybe tomorrow for you guys. 24 days of gifts. And I was like, maybe I should wait till December. It's kind of like the vibes. 24 is like Christmas Eve. But I was like, what if there's stuff in there that you guys want? So I need to try it before. And they wouldn't have sent it till early if they wanted me to wait till December, right? I feel like I'm gonna like see some on social media and then it's gonna ruin it for me. They also sent this huge bag of goodies, and guys, I have to say this is arguably one of my favorite PR packages I've ever gotten. Aussie is definitely a top 3 as well, but this is another one. I got this today. My mouth was on the floor. I was so shocked when I seen this, and this is like all of my favorite things. Starting off, they sent me a ton of makeup brushes. Look at that. First of all, one makeup brush is crazy, but to send so many. First, this is the Cheek Chisel R16. This is for bronzer and blush. It's a dual-ended brush. They sent the Bake It Easy R13. I'm sure this is for setting powder. They sent the Magic Touch R14. This is a concealer brush. And y'all, not just single brushes, they sent packs. This is the I Do It All. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes, a brow duo brush, a flat brush, a blending brush, and a definition brush. Crazy. It doesn't stop there. They sent the Back to Basics brush set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different brushes, the eye brush, foundation brush, concealer brush, blush brush, and a powder puff, y'all. They sent the Flawless Flex R15 brush, and this is to blend foundation on the larger parts of your face. And they also sent a travel brush kit. Look at this cutie little bag. Got snaps for you. And here are the 4 brushes that it comes with. Ah, that's so cute. And I love the bag, of course. It doesn't stop there. Not only did they send all of those amazing brushes, but they sent me 3 complexion palettes in all 3 colors. They come in light, medium, and dark. I think I'm gonna fall somewhere between the light and medium palette, but I love all of them because there's blushes, there's glitters, there's contours and concealers that you can mix and match, so it's not like you just need one, even though you can just get one and be perfectly fine with it, but you can get all 3 and mix and match where you like if you are like a makeup connoisseur, someone who loves makeup. Please look at that. I am literally so in love. If you guys have been following my channel, I actually recently made a complexion palette video where I was trying to see how affordable I can get a makeup look down to, and I was like, you know what, instead of buying a million products, just buy a complexion palette and use that, and you've got your lip, you've got your foundation, your concealer, your contour, your blush, an eye look. You literally have everything besides the powders and setting spray and maybe mascara. It was still pretty expensive. Revolution Beauty is in Walmart. Y'all, I don't know what the price is. I gotta look it up, but I am so excited to see that this is another alternative for you guys. I think you're going to love it. I can't wait to show you an in-depth tutorial. But that concludes our PR unboxing. It was so amazing. There's so many good things. I cannot wait to try them all. I've made a mess of all of the boxes and the paper and the packaging, but thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I could not have been in this position without you guys. You guys are the bread and butter to this community, and I literally love you so much. Thank you for everything that you guys do. Go ahead and comment down below what you want this next video to be, whether it's one of the products that you've seen today that you want an in-depth tutorial on, or go ahead and comment if there's something that you have and you want to give me like a little tip. Just let me know. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We are going to continue trying to do 3 videos a week for the month of November in hopes that I'll have the energy to do Vlogmas. But until then, it's been real. We'll talk soon. Bye.